Hi, let us discuss one hot encoding technique using Python. So we'll be discussing what is the basic concept of one hot encoding, and along with that we'll be implementing the same using some Python program for the better understanding. So let us go for the one hot encoding technique details. So one hot encoding is a process by which categorical variables are converted into a form that could be provided to machine learning algorithms to do a better job in predictions. We know that machine learning algorithms cannot work with categorical data directly, and categorical data must be converted to the respective numbers, but obviously the data should not get lost. So it has to be encoded in such a way that the categorical data, without losing any detailing, any information, will be converted to the respective numerical data. And this applies when we are working with a sequence classification by problem and plan on using deep learning methods such as, say, a long short term memory, recurrent neural networks, and so on. So this is a basic theme behind this particular conversion, that is a one hot encoding. The categorical value assignment can be done using sklearn's label encoder, but the problem is that it assumes that higher the categorical value, that is the numerical, and better will be the respective categorical representation. So a one hot encoding is a representation of categorical variables as binary vectors, also we can say in this way. And this first requires that the categorical values must be mapped to the integer values as well. So then each integer value is represented as a binary vector, and that is all zero values except the index of the integer, which will be marked as 1. So for the better understanding, let us go for this example. So one hot encoder performs binarization of the categorical and binarization of the category and include it as a feature to train the model. Suppose we are having the flower feature and which has got multiple classes. Let us they be daffodil, lily, and rose. So one hot encoding converts flower features to three features: is daffodil, is lily, and is rose, which are a binary. So we'll be representing it in binary vectors. So let us go for this example here. So we are having feature 0, feature 1, and feature 2. So consider this feature 0. How many levels are there? How many classes are there? Here we are having two classes, 0 and 1. So this F0 feature will be represented in 2 bits form. If it is 0, then I'm putting 1 here. If it is 1, I'm putting 1 in this particular column. So 0 back again, so 1 will be here, and 1 back again, so it will be represented as 0, 1. Consider feature number 1. How many classes are there? Here we are having 0, 1, 2, 3 classes. So we are just considering it as 3-bit binary vector. So whenever zeros are there, so in two cases I'm finding 0. So 1 will be put in the first column. Whenever 1 will be there, 1 will be put in the middlemost column. And whenever 2 will be there as a value for F1 feature variable, so the 1 will be there on the third column. Consider this feature number 2. Tell me, how many classes are there? Here we are having 0, 1, 2, 3. So 4 classes are there. So that's why we have mapped it in 4 binary vectors, 4-bit binary vectors. So now 3, that means it will be coming down here 1. So 0 means it will be coming down 1 here. And then 1 means it will be coming down here. And 2 means it will be coming from 0, 1, 2. So in this particular column, I shall be getting 1 here. So in this way, the encoded values, which will be nothing but binary rows, which will be representing featured F0, F1, and F2 values. So let us go for a practical demonstration for the better understanding.